is blue. February, short and sweet. Hearts and hugs and dancing feet. March is windy, kites fly high. April, raindrops fall from sky. May has flowers, colors bright. June is sunny, full of light. Say the months, one by one. Clap your hands and have some fun. Jump and spin and shout hooray. Let's learn the months day by day. January, January, cold and new. Bundle up, the sky is blue. February, short and sweet. Hearts and hugs and dancing feet. July is loud with fireworks boom. August swims and sunny room. September books and back to school. October pumpkins, oh so cool. November thanks and cozy pies. December lights and snowy skies. 12 months, we know them all. Big and small, let's have a ball. January to December, say it loud. You know the months, feel so proud. Clap, clap, stomp your feet. Learning months is super sweet.
If you love this lesson, then like and subscribe Learning Studio.